Namaskar, and I wish all my viewers a very, very happy new year. Happy, blessed, peaceful, prosperous new year. Okay, I have got a very interesting topic for you this new year. What am I going to talk to you about? I am going to talk to you about prime time. Prime time news. That's what I'm going to talk to you about. And I'm also going to talk to you about the fact that almost 25 top companies in the world, maybe more actually, but 25 companies in the world have Indian CEOs, people with Indian origin as their CEOs. So, two different topics, but I will tell you how they are all connected. And that's the interesting part of today's editorial. Let's get right into the show. Yesterday, I was watching television. I was watching various channels. And I was trying to watch what were they actually playing on their prime time. What were the topics that were discussed on prime time news television across the globe? American channels were talking about Corona. American channels were talking about infrastructure that they build to tackle Corona. Americans were talking about medical infrastructure, medical development, medical innovations that they are trying to tackle Corona. That is what mainland television in America was talking about. I remember a German channel talking about vaccines, talking about vaccinations, talking about technology to combat Corona. That's what was happening in German channels. So was in European channel. European channel yesterday it was more about economy and how to improve economy and all of that, trade and economy, and more of trade and economy yesterday. And then I tuned to Indian channels, and in Indian channels, lo behold, we were talking about Kali Charan Maharaj and how Kali Charan Maharaj wanted, to promote Hindutva and how he abused the father of this country, that is Mahatma Gandhi. I went back a few days back. We were talking about Hindutva versus Hindu in our prime time. So, a prime time normally represents what the country is consuming. What is the national debate? The national debate in our country was about Hindu and Hindutva, was about Kali Charan Maharaj, and what he said was about the religious conferences that happened. That was what we were discussing, whereas the entire world was talking about health. Entire world was talking about Corona. Entire world was talking about how they are going to handle COVID, how they are going to tackle COVID, what is the medical infrastructure they are going to deploy, and some of them were talking about economy, jobs, well-being. That was the national debate there, and this is the national debate here. This is real. Go check it. Go check it for yourself, and you will find what I am saying is correct. Now, I told you that a lot of us Indians are top executives across the globe. Top executives. 25 companies today. Top companies in India have Indian or people of Indian origin as their top executives. Arvind Krishnan, IBM. Sundar Pichai, CEO Google. Satya Nadella, CEO Microsoft. Shantanu Narayan, CEO Adobe. Ajay Pal Bhang, CEO MasterCard. Rajiv Suri was former CEO Nokia when Nokia was there. Now he is the CEO of Immerset. Indra Nui, former CEO of PepsiCo. Top companies hired people of Indian origin to be their CEOs. Can this trend continue? Will this trend continue? Most of these people were not born abroad. They were born in India, studied in India, grew in India, and then went abroad and became top CEOs. They were all IIT, IIM products who studied, grew up in India and went out and became top industry heads. Can we produce more Arvind Krishnans? Will they be able to produce more Sundar Pichais? Will we be able to do that? Let's probe into that. You see, Arvind Krishnan today is 69. Sundar Pichai is 49. Satya Nadella is 54. Shantanu Narayan is 58. Ajay Singh is 62. Rajiv Suri is 54. Indra Nooyi is 66. These are people of, I can say, of my age, most of them, a few years younger or a few years elder. In our days, when we watched television, our black and white television, when we were young, when we were growing, when we were being inspired, it was Rakesh Sharma who was sitting there and telling the Prime Minister of India, I remember it was Indira Gandhi those days, that, she asked him, कि भाई आपको कैसा लग रहा है when you are sitting in the space and watching Earth, how do you, what are you feeling? And he said, I'm looking at India, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा.
ऊपर से भारत कैसा दिखता है आपको?
जी मैं बगैर किसी झिझक के कह सकता हूँ कि सारे जहां से अच्छा.
That's the inspiration that these people got. That was the prime time that they were watching. That inspired them to be Arvind Krishnan and Sundar Pichai. And I wonder what the kids of today are watching. कि मंदिर में ऐसा नहीं बनना चाहिए, मंदिर उधर ही बनना चाहिए, मस्जिद को गिराना चाहिए, मस्जिद को बनाना चाहिए. अरे गांधी ठीक नहीं था, नेहरू ठीक नहीं था. Some saffron clad guys, some skull cap guys, people sitting and debating. This is the national debate that my children today are consuming, that the youth today are consuming. What inspiration are we giving them? Where are we going to create Sundar Pichais? What inspiration are we giving them? What are they learning?
शिशुपाल बैठ जा, मौलाना बैठ, बैठ और सुन. कितना भी चिल्लाएगा मंदिर वहीं बनेगा.
और सिक्का तो पकड़ बन के बनता है और तेरी असीनीता सी और सिक्का और गद्दार पूरा गद्दार पे पुत्रा और गद्दारा.
Prime time is important because prime time defines what the country is thinking that day. That is why prime time is important. And if the country is going to think about mandir, masjids and think about people like that Maharaj who has no idea about what he is talking about and who he is talking about, if those are the kind of people who are going to occupy bulk of our prime time, you have to understand that that is what your children, the youth of this country are consuming. And if the youth of the country starts consuming that, you will not have a Sundar Pichai. You will not have a Sundar Pichai. 20 years from today, you will not find a Sundar Pichai who can go and who can be a leader of the world's largest company. You will not find that. I spoke to you 2 days back about how our IITs are deteriorating because there are no teachers. There is inadequate faculty to student ratio in our IIT. 8 out of our 19 IITs have got inadequate faculty to students ratio. I just spoke to you about day before yesterday. So our education is deteriorating and our prime time is getting messed with these kind of messages. This is a warning signal. I wanted to come in front of you and tell you this is a warning signal. India needs to change if India needs to grow. India needs to talk about green revolution. India needs to talk about industrialization. India needs to talk about economy. India needs to talk about governance, corporate growth. India needs to talk about careers. India needs to talk about education. India needs to talk about technology. That's what India needs to talk about. And what are we ending up talking about? And that's the core question I asked tonight. What I would hope is let's start this 2022 by talking, listening, discussing, debating about topics that help growth of our country, help growth of our youth. Talk about food on the table for people, talk about growth for the people, talk about jobs for people, talk about technology, talk about development, talk about infrastructure. That should be our prime time debate. If you can't get that prime time debate, switch off that television. It is not worth it. Your son, your daughter should not watch it. Because that will not inspire them. That will only take them towards a wrong direction. Till I see you next time. Namaskar.